Welcome back to Bolt Action Ballistics. I brought my 6.5 Creedmoor and the Howa 1500 back out. I got some new rounds here I want to test out. In a couple of my past videos we tested out the 308 versus the Creedmoor, and the 308 was putting quite a splatter on stuff. So what I did is I bought some new bullets hoping to get this thing to do a little bit more of a splatter to it. So what I have here is a 123 grain versus the 130 grain we had been shooting. This 123 grain gives me more powder room in my case, so hopefully we can get a little bit more of a splatter out of this gun. So I got a couple of targets here I want to test out on, see what kind of splatter these bullets can really do. Let's get started. First target's a giant zucchini. .123 grain, loaded super hot. Let's see what it does. We demolished about 3/4 of it. That's what's left. Next up is 2 sodas. See if we can get through both of them. Okay, we got both sodas lined up. Let's see what it does. Well, I would say those bullets definitely got some boogie to them. It just ripped them all apart. Next up, we got a giant water balloon. Okay, we got our water balloon set up. Let's see what one of these do. Okay, so next up we got some 3/4 inch plywood. This is particle board. I just want to see if we can simply catch it around and see what's left of the round. Okay, so we got 3/4 inch particle board set up. I just want to simply catch it around. These are a target load, so I want to see what's left of these bullets after we hit that board. Here we go. Okay, we hit right there. Stuck in number 9. Right here. So that's what's left. Pretty good expansion. So yeah, those bullets definitely got more boogie to them. I could definitely tell a little bit bigger of a difference versus the 130 grain versus these 123 grain. Definitely got a little bit more powder room. This is definitely a lot of fun. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos as much as I am. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and we'll see you on the next one.